Great teams are facing each other today.
The home team has gone with, and here is the away team formation.
Bellingham with the ball. Mo Salah.
Now Lukaku.
Goal! Oh, but he got a bit lucky there. He won't mind, though.
An early goal. Already we've got a game on our hands.
Vicious pass. Keeper's ball. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Now Lukaku.
A careless pass there. Rudiger. Mbappe.
He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
Some really fluid passing on display. That's a terrible tackle. The player has elected to take it. Can a goal come from this chance? He's charging down the wing. He just mistimed that header. This is Rodrigo. He's just offside. This is Haaland. Kim. Well read. Surely now. Good save. It was heading goalwards. Rudiger. A misplaced pass. Regains possession. He's speeding ahead. He's shaping to shoot. It's 1-0. Great understanding between this team. He misjudged the pass. Oh, that's a poor pass. He got that all wrong. It's opened up. Oh, there from Haaland.
Oh, he'll be pleased with that effort. It'll do his confidence the world of good.
With the match poised, he's bringing on all 5 players at once. He failed to connect with that tackle. He slid for the ball, but missed.
Won the ball.
And he's won it back for his team. He's moving fast with the ball. Ah, quality defending there. Son Heung-min.
The shot's on. Goodness me, that was close.
Oh, we got that cross all wrong.
The scores are level, but they want to find a way through.
Wins the ball.
Could there be a winning goal here? There's not long left. He goes for goal.
It didn't trouble the keeper. A wasted chance there, a poor cross. A careless pass there. No one's going to get on the end of that cross.
Lovely passing here.
Great run by Lewandowski. And that cross missed its target.
Well cut out.
He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all.
Both.
What a great performance he's put in. He fully deserves to be named Player